Hey everyone, today I will show you how to withdraw money from TradingView. First of all, you need to know one important thing. TradingView does not hold your money, so you cannot withdraw funds directly from TradingView. All your money stays with your broker. Now, open your TradingView chart and check which broker account you are connected to. You will usually see the broker name at the bottom of the screen or inside the trading panel. Once you know the broker, go to that broker's official website or mobile app. Log in to your trading account using your username and password. Next, look for the Withdrawal section. It is usually called Withdraw Funds or Transfer Funds. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer or mobile wallet. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. After that, confirm the request. Most brokers take a few hours to a few days to process the withdrawal depending on the method you selected. And that is basically it. All withdrawals must be done through your broker, not TradingView. So this is how to withdraw money from TradingView. Like and subscribe if this helped.